Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to control this robot using this RF controller. RF is radio frequency, and I have here two buttons. The one for making it go forward. Let's try the demo. And when I click here, it's actually moving the robot, and it's also giving some signals that it is moving. Then if I click this other button, our robot is going to go backward, and in this case we are not using any other materials that is bought. We are using actually scrap materials to control this robot, as you can see it here. So as you see, this is completely scrap material, plastic, and here we are using RF signal to control our robot. Here it's powered by 3.7 volts. Then here we have the motor, the gear motors. Then our robot is able to move forward, backward, then to also give some signals when it is moving. It is very slow, but we are still working on the speed. Thanks.